Okay, so here's numbers 5 and 6 from the 10th grade 2009 Mcas. So number 5 says, Miss Burke correctly weighed a tomato to the nearest ounce and recorded the weight. The weight she recorded was 13 ounces. What is the least possible actual weight of the tomato? Well, she rounded her answer. Well, whatever she weighed it to the nearest ounce. So that means if she got, let's say she got 12.4, she would have to round that down to 12. So 12.4 couldn't be it. Let's say she got 12.5. Well, 12.5, that rounds up to 13. And 13 ounces obviously rounds to 13. 13.4, that also rounds to 13. But the important thing here is what is the least possible actual weight? And the least possible actual weight is 12.5. Because whenever you have a 5 or anything greater, you round up. Whenever you have like a 4, 3, 2, or 1 there, you're going to round, the number in front is going to stay the same. So that was pretty easy. Number 6. Now number 6, if you haven't seen quadratic equations before, don't panic, because this little plus minus sign just means that you add, the answer could be 4 plus the square root of 60 or 4 minus the square root of 60. So the entire question reads like this. The solutions of the quadratic equation are shown below. Which of the following pairs of numbers is closest to the solutions of the equation? Well, what's the square root of 60? If you don't happen to know that offhand, which I don't know, you would take, well, what's close to the square root of 60? Well, let's see. If you took 7, squared it, that would equal 49. And my daughter is crying in the background. Hope that doesn't get recorded, but I'm going to go see what's wrong after this. If you took 8 squared, that would be 64. So the square root of 49 is 7. The square root of 64 is 8. So since you're only taking an approximation here, what is the square root of 60 closer to? 7 or 8? Well, I'm going to say 8. And for 4 plus or minus the square root of 60, I'm going to substitute 8 in there for this value of square root of 60. So 4 plus 8, that's 12. Then 4 minus 8, that's negative 4. So I'm looking for 12 and negative 4. Let's see if that's an answer. Right there. Choice B, 12 and negative 4. Next up, 7 and 8.